Hey folks, how you doing? This is Jay Ortega once again. Just wanted to make this quick video because people has been asking me about, when I'm talking to them about this opportunity, they immediately want to know how to join, how to sign up, and all that good stuff, how to reserve the hotspot, and all that jazz. So anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video so you can see how it's done. So once you go to my website, which is www.freecryptoheliumminer.com, it will shoot you to this page. It'll explain what this is, how it works, what this is all about. Yeah, pretty simple. But what you want to do is any of these buttons, join iHub Global, right here, and like right here, I guess. Yeah, those three. Just click on that button. Um, you could watch this video. I highly recommend you do. It's just 2 minutes. Just give it a quick, once over. But once you're done, just press yes. Once that happens, you're gonna go, just put in all your information. Make sure my name is here as your sponsor. It should be, because if you're getting this link from me, it should, it should definitely have it. But in case it doesn't, if it doesn't have it, just please like call me or something, send me an email, and we'll get that fixed. But once you see my name, just put in your, some info there. Let me just make a dummy account. Information. Just, click this button right here. Oh, I need a phone number. Let me put mine. Okay, so boom. Once you're in, you're gonna watch this important video. Is again is a welcome video, but just watch it. And once you're done, what you want to do immediately is reserve your hotspot. So by doing that, you click on this button. This is gonna open up. You have to put in your information, all your information there, shipping address, install address, which should be the same, I'm pretty sure. Agree, and once you do that, just press reserve your hotspot. It'll tell you if you're eligible or not, but once that happens, that's great. Then you're gonna click on plan your hotspot network. This is, again, watch this video. It'll explain to you how it works, because remember, if you like invite other people like family members and stuff like that, and they get their own hotspot, you earn a percentage off of their mining. So that's pretty cool. I'm not sure the number exactly, but hey, if you have 50, 100 people like all over that, they have their own miners because of you, you earn a little percentage off of each one. So that's why I'm looking at this long term, and this is why I'm just sharing. Again, it's free, man. Like, you can't beat that. And if you don't get a miner, like let's suppose you click the reserve hotspot and you can't get it, it does not mean that you cannot like earn some cryptos off of this. Because again, if you bring people on board and they have their own, hotspots, so on and so forth, you earn some money off of them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Go around, click everywhere, just look at all this. This is really cool. Look at, like, these are all these hotspots. Look, I could click on the detail and I could actually see how much these people make. So look, this miner made $594, 600 bucks for a month. Daily is putting in like 21 bucks. That is not bad. Again, folks, once you have this, and you bring a few people on board, like, you can make money. This is really cool. I love it, and that's why I'm sharing it with people. So look, let's check out another one. They have a name. It's online. Let's view details. This guy earned $242, or female. I mean, who knows who this is? But yeah, well, as you can see, once you have your miner, this is the way to go. You could check all this out and confirm everything. So this is not a scam, folks. Look at all these miners out there, man. These are planned miners. So the green ones already online, all that good stuff. This is all over, man. This is all over. Look, let me see this guy right here. Right, syncing. Let me find one that's online. Here, online, boom. Let me click on that. This one only made 59 bucks. This person is probably new, and stuff like that, so maybe a month or two or whatnot. But again, as you can see, these are places that are being filled out, so again, reserve, jump in. Look at all these miners, bro. Look at all this. And look, there's places that don't have, you know and stuff like that. So you could target these people, in your marketing, if that's where you want to go. Look at all this area, and all this area. Like, come on now. Anyway, think of the possibilities, man. This is great, a great opportunity. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, 646-427-8984, or shoot me an email at jortega@gmail.com. um, yeah, any questions, just reach out to me, and I hope this video helped. And yeah, talk to you guys soon. Peace out.